5 ways on how you can relieve a bloated stomach. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Alema Health Matters. Is this your first time? I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and also share. You can also comment on the comment section and share your views about this video. Don't forget to click on the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. By the end of this discussion, we will be able to achieve the following objectives. What is a bloated stomach? What causes bloating in the stomach? 5 ways on how to relieve a bloated stomach. What is a bloated stomach? A bloated stomach is a feeling of tightness, pressure or fullness in your belly. It may or may not be accompanied by a visibly distended abdomen. The feeling can range from mildly uncomfortable to intensely painful. It usually goes away after a while, but for some people, it's a recurring problem. Digestive issues and hormone fluctuations can cause cyclical bloating. If a bloated stomach doesn't go away, you should seek medical care to determine the cause. What causes bloating in the stomach? Number 1 is gas. Gas is a natural byproduct of digestion, but too much intestinal gas means your digestion is gone awry. While you can ingest gases by swallowing air or drinking carbonated beverages, these gases mostly escape through belching before they reach your intestines. Gases in your intestines are mostly produced by gut bacteria digesting carbohydrates in a process called fermentation. If there is too much fermentation going on, it's because too many carbohydrates weren't naturally absorbed earlier in the digestive process before reaching those gut bacteria. That could be for several reasons. Maybe you just ate too much too fast for proper digestion, or you might have specific food intolerance or gastrointestinal disease. The second cause is digestive contents. This can include solids, liquids, and gas. Digestive contents can build up in your digestive system when there is a backup or restriction in your digestive tract, or when the muscles that move digestive contents along are somehow impaired. Any buildup of digestive contents along the digestive tract will leave less room for normal amounts of gas to process through. It also leaves less room for other things in your abdomen, including circulatory fluids and fat, making everything feel tighter. The third cause is hormones. Maybe you've noticed that your stomach bloating follows a different cycle, not so much your digestive cycle, but your menstrual cycle. If so, you are not alone. As many as 3 in 4 women say they experience abdominal bloating before and during their menstrual periods. Bloating is also a common complaint during the hormone fluctuations of perimenopause. Female hormones deserve a special mention when it comes to stomach bloating because they can affect bloating from many angles: fluids, gas, digestive backup, and also your sensitivity to those things. The fourth cause is other medical causes. Bloating that comes and goes is usually digestive, hormonal, or both. These causes can also make you feel generally sick and tired. As long as your symptoms eventually go away, they probably aren't serious. But if your bloated stomach doesn't go away or gets worse, or if you have other symptoms of serious illness such as fever or vomiting, you should seek medical attention to rule out other medical causes. What relieves a bloated stomach? What brings relief in the long term will depend on the cause of your distress. You might need a professional diagnosis to get to the bottom of it. But if you are looking for home remedies to debloat your stomach today or avoid bloating tomorrow, there are a few things you can try. Number 1, herbal teas, including peppermint, ginger, turmeric, and fennel can aid digestion and help process gas. Dandelion tea can help relieve water retention. Number 2, peppermint oil capsules are a natural and spasmodic. That means they can help your intestinal muscles relax. This can help you pass trapped poop and gas, especially if your problems derive from a motility issue. The third way to relieve a bloated stomach is through antacids. Antacids have shown to relieve inflammation in the digestive tract and help pass gas more easily. Antacids often include the active ingredient simethicone, which works to pass gas by grouping smaller gas bubbles together. Simethicone is also available separately. The fourth way to relieve bloated stomach is by use of magnesium supplements, which help to relieve and neutralize stomach acid and relax the intestinal muscles. Magnesium has a natural laxative effect, which can be helpful from time to time, but can be habit-forming if you use it too often. The last way to relieve a bloated stomach is through probiotics. Probiotics can help supplement or rebalance your gut bacteria. Some will help you digest your food better in the first place, and others may actually help absorb excess gases. You may have to take them consistently for a few days or weeks to really notice a difference. Thank you for watching. That is the last part. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.